This is a mixer, mixing different materials, then produce concrete. That one, it is a cement screw conveyor. It could deliver the cement from the cement silo into the mixer. This is a water tank, supply water for the mixer. This is conveyor, deliver the concrete into the block motion hopper. This is the pallet feeding machine. This machine could put pallet into the block machine, pallet box automatic. This is the host block machine. It could produce hollow blocks, solid blocks, paving bricks, and hoodies, curbstones. This is a color feeder. It could put a color fish on the paving bricks. Color feeder put a color on the surface of bricks.